Over the past decades, Japanese motorcycles have earned a reputation for their incredible performance, unique designs, and reliable engineering. From the early days of motorcycle history, Japan has produced some of the most iconic motorcycles that have influenced the entire world of riding. In today's video, we'll explore 10 classic Japanese motorcycles that everyone who loves motorcycles has to see. Each of these legendary motorcycles has its own story, making them unforgettable pieces of motorcycle history. Let's take a ride into the past. Number 10, the Honda Super Cub. Now, the Honda Super Cub is one of the most iconic motorcycles ever made. First introduced in 1955, it became a game changer in the world of motorcycles. Designed to be simple, reliable, and easy to ride, the Super Cub quickly gained worldwide fame and is still in production today, making it the most produced motor vehicle in history, selling over 100 million units worldwide. What makes a Super Cub special is its lightweight design and incredible fuel efficiency. It features a small engine, typically around 50cc, which makes it perfect for city rides and short trips. With its step-through frame and automatic clutch, it's incredibly easy to handle, even for beginners. The motorcycle's comfortable seat and practical design make it great for daily use, and its top speed of around 50 to 60 miles an hour is just right for casual riders. The Super Cub also stands out because of its cultural impact. It was featured in Honda's famous "You Meet the Nicest People on a Honda" campaign, which changed how people view motorcycles, no longer for just the daredevil, but for everyone. Number 9. The Honda CB77 Superhawk, introduced in the 1960s, is one of the most iconic Japanese motorcycles ever made. It stood out for its modern design, impressive performance, and advanced engineering, setting a new standard for motorcycles of its time. Powered by a 305cc parallel twin engine, the Superhawk delivered around 28 horsepower, which was a big deal back in the day. Now, it could also reach speeds of up to over 100 miles an hour, making it one of the fastest motorcycles of its size in its era. Now, one of the CB77 standout features was its steel tube frame, which was lighter and stronger than the pressed steel frames used by many competitors. This made the motorcycle more agile and fun to ride. It also had a telescopic front fork and twin rear shocks, giving riders better control and comfort. Its sleek design and chrome details gave it a sporty and stylish look that appealed to young riders. The Superhawk was also famous for being reliable and easy to maintain, which helped make it a favorite among motorcycle enthusiasts. Number 8. The Honda CB750. The Honda CB750, introduced in 1969, is one of the most legendary motorcycles ever made. Often called the first super motorcycle, it changed the world of motorcycling forever. The CB750 came with a powerful 736cc four-cylinder engine that produced 68 horsepower, giving riders a top speed of around 120 miles an hour. Back then, this was incredibly fast and exciting for a street motorcycle. One of the things that made the CB750 stand out was the electric starter, a rare feature at the time. It also came with a front disc brake, which offered better stopping power and safety compared to many other motorcycles. The motorcycle's smooth ride and reliable performance made it a favorite among riders worldwide. What really made the CB750 iconic was how it combined power, style, and affordability. It was a motorcycle that anyone could ride. From casual riders to speed enthusiasts, the CB750 also had a sleek design with chrome details, making it look as good as it performed. Number 7. The Kawasaki Z1900. The Kawasaki Z1900, launched in 1972, is one of the most iconic Japanese motorcycles ever made. Known as the king of motorcycles, it was a game-changer in the biking world. The Z1900 was built to compete with Honda's CB750, and Kawasaki, they didn't hold back. It featured a powerful 903cc four-cylinder engine that produced 82 horsepower, which was massive for its time. This engine allowed the Z1900 to reach top speeds of around 130 miles an hour, making it one of the fastest motorcycles of the 70s. The Z1900 wasn't just about speed, though. It also had a sleek, stylish design with a teardrop-shaped fuel tank, dual chrome exhaust pipes, and bold paintwork. Riders loved its smooth performance, comfortable ride, and reliable handling, making it a favorite for both long-distance rides and daily commutes. What truly makes the Kawasaki Z1900 iconic is how it set new standards for performance motorcycles. It showed the world that Japanese motorcycles could be fast, reliable, and stylish all at once. Number 6, the Yamaha RD350 LC YPVS. The Yamaha RD350 LC YPVS is a classic Japanese motorcycle that became a legend in the 1980s. Known for its speed and advanced technology, the motorcycle was a favorite among riders who loved thrills and performance. LC stands for liquid cooled, a feature that helped the engine stay cool during long rides, while YPVS stands for Yamaha Power Valve System, a special system that improved the motorcycle's power delivery. The RD350 LC YPVS had a 347cc two-stroke engine that produced around 59 horsepower, which was impressive for its size. It could reach speeds of up to 120 miles an hour, which made it a top choice for adrenaline junkies. The motorcycle also only weighed about 335 pounds, which made it light and easy to handle, especially on twisty roads. Its sharp acceleration and sporty design also gave it the nickname the Giant Killer because it could compete with much bigger motorcycles. What makes the RD350 LC YPVS iconic is how it revolutionized two-stroke motorcycles with its cutting-edge technology. It became a symbol of the 1980s motorcycle scene, blending speed, style, and innovation. Number 5, the Suzuki RGV250. The Suzuki RGV250 is a legendary motorcycle that holds a special place in the hearts of motorcycle enthusiasts. Built between 1988 and 1998, the sporty two-stroke motorcycle was inspired by Suzuki's Grand Prix racing motorcycles, making it a favorite for riders who love speed and excitement. It's powered by a 249cc V-twin engine that produces around 60 horsepower. That might not sound like a lot, but because the RGV250 is so light, just over 300 pounds, it delivers thrilling acceleration and razor-sharp handling. One of the standout features of the RGV250 is its agility. It was designed for twisty roads and racetracks, where its lightweight frame and responsive handling made it a dream to ride. The motorcycle also came with a unique twin-spar aluminum frame, which added to its sporty and sleek design. The RGV250's distinctive sound, thanks to its two-stroke engine, is another reason that fans love it. It's loud, raw, and just pure adrenaline. What makes the Suzuki RGV250 iconic is how it captured the spirit of 1990s racing. With its bold graphics and high-performance engine, it became a symbol of speed and style. Number 4, the Suzuki GSX R750F. The Suzuki GSX R750F, introduced in 1985, is a motorcycle that changed the game for sports motorcycles. Nicknamed the Gixxer, it was one of the first motorcycles to bring race-level performance to the streets, making it an instant legend among riders. The GSX R750F had a 749cc four-cylinder engine that delivered 100 horsepower, a big deal at the time. This made it fast, with a top speed of about 150 miles an hour, perfect for thrill seekers who wanted speed and agility. What made the GSX R750F even more special was that lightweight design. Using a revolutionary aluminum frame, Suzuki kept the motorcycle's weight at just 388 pounds, making it one of the lightest sport motorcycles ever when it launched. This helped it corner better and handle smoothly, giving riders an edge on the track or on open roads. The GSX R750F also had an aerodynamic design, a full fairing, and a unique twin headlight look that made it stand out visually. Over the years, it became a symbol of Suzuki's innovation and commitment to high-performance motorcycles. But before we move to the top 3 listed motorcycles here, if you had to pick just 3 to own, what would you choose and why? Drop your dream trio in the comments below. Number 3, Suzuki RG500 Gamma. The Suzuki RG500 Gamma is a motorcycle that truly stands out in history. Released in 1985, it was designed to bring race motorcycle performance to the streets. Inspired by Suzuki's Grand Prix racing motorcycles, the RG500 Gamma became an instant classic for motorcycle fans. One of its most impressive features is its engine. It has a 500cc two-stroke square-4 engine that delivers around 94 horsepower. It might not sound much compared to today's motorcycles, but back then, it was a rocket on 2 wheels. This RG500 Gamma could reach a top speed of 140 miles an hour, making it one of the fastest motorcycles of its time. The motorcycle was also incredibly lightweight, weighing around 340 pounds, which made it agile and fun to ride. Its sharp handling and powerful brakes gave riders the confidence to push it to the limit. The styling of the RG500 Gamma also added to its appeal. with its race-inspired look and bold graphics. What makes the RG500 Gamma truly iconic is its connection to racing. It's like having a piece of Suzuki's winning Grand Prix legacy in your garage. Number 2, the Honda NR. The Honda NR is one of the most legendary motorcycles ever made, showing Honda's creativity and innovation. Released in the early 1990s, the NR stands out because of its unique oval piston engine, something rarely seen in motorcycles. Instead of using the usual round pistons, Honda gave the NR a V4 engine and 8 oval pistons. Now, this allowed it to behave like an engine with 8 cylinders, giving it incredible performance. It produced 125 horsepower and could reach speeds of up to around 160 miles an hour, which was really impressive for the time. The NR also looked futuristic. Its sleek aerodynamic bodywork was designed to reduce wind resistance and improve performance. The bright red paint and unique exhaust pipes made it instantly recognizable. With its high-quality materials like carbon fiber and titanium, the NR was not just about speed, but about precision and luxury too. What made the Honda NR truly iconic was its boldness. It wasn't just a motorcycle, it was an engineering experiment that proved Honda's dedication to pushing boundaries. Although it was expensive and only a limited number were made, the NR became a collector's dream and a symbol of innovation. It's a motorcycle that truly stands out in history. Number 1, the Honda CBR 900RR Fireblade. The Honda CBR 900RR Fireblade is a legendary motorcycle that changed the way that people thought about sports motorcycles. Introduced in 1992, it combined powerful performance with lightweight design, making it fast, agile, and fun to ride. At its heart is an 893cc inline-4 engine that produces around 112 horsepower, which was groundbreaking for the time. This power allowed the Fireblade to hit top speeds around 160 miles an hour, making it one of the fastest motorcycles of its era. What really set the Fireblade apart, though, was its lightweight design. At just around 408 pounds, it was much lighter than any other motorcycle with similar power. This made it easier to handle, especially in tight corners, and gave riders more confidence on the road or track. The sharp, aggressive styling also turned heads, with a sleek body and bold graphics that screamed speed and performance. The Fireblade is iconic because it redefined the sport motorcycle category, inspiring other manufacturers to focus on the perfect balance of power and weight. It remains a favorite among motorcycle enthusiasts who admire its history and groundbreaking design. So there you have it, our list of the 10 classic Japanese motorcycles you must see. If you love the video and you want to learn more from the definitive channel on the automotive industry, subscribe today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.